Hi there. John here from Romania, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a strategy that can make easily for you $1,000 per day with small work. But before I show you the strategy, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button and comment down below. Today I want to open your mind a little bit more. Do you know what type of product are selling the best on the internet? Not only sell the best but also have a good price for you as a seller? Do not worry, I am not going to teach you to sell anything. You will see at the end of the video everything will be automated. Let me show you a site named ideaconnection.com. This site offers you a chance if you are extremely smart to solve a problem for another person or company. The amount of money for that problem can be $10,000 or more. This site have a referral program, and if you find somebody smart enough to solve a single problem, he get his payment for the problem and you get $500 for every person you bring here. But the condition it is that person to solve a problem. So you need to search for the smart people. An idea can be something like that. Pay attention because it is very easy. Register here as a solver, register as an affiliate too. Go to problems and see what kind of problem are there. Usually smart people, you can find them on Fiverr, Upwork, and so on. Usually the smart people do not get so much money for one problem, and you can do something like drop servicing. That guy will be happy for the money he earned and you will be happy with the commission. Another way to make money by solving problem it is about to be revealed. What if I tell you that on the internet exists a tool that solve problem for you and find a clients for you? It is absolutely truth. And let me show you the site and the soft that can help you make money by doing almost nothing. Imagine instantly finding desperate buyers with a problem and exploiting our next gen software to automatically and effortlessly help them for $1,000 paydays. This soft work only with sites. What this soft does for you? You will search in this soft for dentist company, for example. This software can search for a business anywhere in the world. And after the soft will show you the results. You can go to every site and the soft will analyze the quality of the site. I am not some developer to explain you better this idea. But the soft find all the, let's say, IT problem in the site. You have here in this soft all the contact details about those business that you just found. You have an automated email inside the soft that you need to change a little bit with some info about that business. And tell that person who own the business he has some errors in his site and you can fix them for him. Tell him about the number of client will come to him after the fix and so on. The person who accept your offer with the price you ask will be very happy after you do your service. Let the soft to fix all the problem and you take the money. I think you can realize this soft it is not for free, but I think it worth the money. You can make at least $1,000 per day with this because you have unlimited business potential. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked my video, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below and consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram work_smart_not_hard, and you can find me on Facebook too under the same brand name. I wish you all the best.